Hey guys, Mr. Coffee here at you. What I'm going to be doing right now is going to be go ahead and make our caramel frappuccino. Really simple, really easy. Before we get started, I just want to make sure that you know this is something that you can do at home for just $1. Of course, in order to do it at home, you need to actually go on our website and purchase, okay, a box of our black coffee. Absolutely amazing. And when you purchase a box of black coffee, you get to make 30 frappuccinos, okay? So with that being said, and actually I think I'll make a whole lot more than that, and I can show you that another time. But here we go. Of course, what you're gonna need is like a cup of ice. You're gonna need about a quarter cup of water. Of course, you're gonna need 1/4 of a cup of caramel topping. It's right here, caramel topping. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that on in there. Make sure I get it all in. I'm gonna use a spoon. So while we're making sure that's happening, is that this is pretty simple and easy to do. So the caramel topping, make sure we get that in there, all that. This is actually my favorite one, okay? And then of course, we're gonna need like a 1/4 of a cup of Italian sweet cream. Okay, you can get that easily from Walmart. And then you're gonna use just like, really just a half of a sachet. You could probably use less, but a half a sachet of our black coffee, our black gourmet organic herb black coffee. Okay, so that's all set and it's ready to pretty much go. Now what we'll do, of course, is we'll blend it up. If it's too thick or too thin, you can always either add more ice if it's too thin, or add just a tad bit of Italian sweet cream if it's too thick. Yes, this is absolutely my favorite. My favorite on the caramel frappe. I just add a little bit more water because sometimes it depends on what type of ice you use. So now we're all set. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and garnish our cup with a little bit of the caramel topping. Amazing. And we'll just go ahead and place it inside the cup. That looks great. This is the way I like it. Nice and thick. Okay, we'll garnish it with the cream. Caramel topping, and lastly, a tablespoon, maybe a teaspoon of Heath bar crunch. And of course, a straw. And there you have it. Our caramel frappuccino. And again, you can make this at home for just $1. Okay? Hope you guys got something out of that. And for those of you that choose to go online and order a box, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to Mr. Coffee Concierge at 813-892-4928. There you have it. Enjoy. Hey guys, this one is for me. Bye-bye.